Hello lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I am very much grateful to you all for your time, your comment, and everything that you guys are doing for me. Thank you very much. Okay, I am making pizza today and here are the ingredients I use in preparing my pizza. Okay, I have my chicken breast that I've already cooked. Okay, you can use any meat, fish or mushroom of your choice. That's my flour, about 900 grams. My pizza sauce, you can use any ketchup of your choice. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and my yeast, my mozzarella cheese. Okay, and my having there my bell. So to begin with, let's start proving our yeast. Then you add half teaspoon of sugar, add warm water to it and then stir. Cover it and put it in a warm place for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you see a creaming foam on the surface of the water, and this means that our yeast is alive and we can now proceed to make our dough. That's my flour, about 900 grams, and I'll add in my salt and the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then stir with my hands or a wooden spoon till all the ingredients are well combined in my dough. Okay. So I am adding in my yeast mixture and mix it with my spoon till I get the consistency that I want. So I'll be sprinkling flour on my work surface and then transfer my dough so that I can use my hand to mold it till I get a smooth dough. If the dough springs back immediately when pressed, it's been kneaded enough and is ready to rise. I will now brush some oil in my bowl, okay, to grease it. I'll go ahead and put my dough in the grease pan and then cover it with my plastic foil and allow it to rise. I will allow the dough to sit in a warm place for about 15 to 20 minutes to rise. After 15 to 20 minutes, my dough has doubled inside. So I have to put my hand. Okay. I'll sprinkle flour on my work surface again and then put the dough and roll it into the size that. Continue to roll it till I get the size that I want. Okay, like the size of your pan. So let me grate my cheese, my mozzarella cheese. Okay. The end result. I am done spreading the dough in my pan and you can see my brush and the pizza sauce, okay, about to spread it on the dough. As you can see, I am spreading the pizza sauce on my dough and you can use any ketchup of your choice to also replace it. chicken breast. Or you can feel free to use any meat of your choice. Tuna, any mushroom, or anything of your choice, you can also use it. Okay. Peppers. I've already preheated my oven on 250 degrees Celsius. Okay. About to add the grated mozzarella cheese. Okay, so I'll just spread it on it. Homemade pizza. This is Eve's Kitchen Star. You can try making your own pizza in your homes. Use the desired spices of your choice. Oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, it will be ready. Okay. So that's my pizza in the oven, okay, and I am baking it on 150 degrees Celsius, okay, for about 20 to 25 minutes. It will be ready. So my pizza is ready after that 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I am dividing it. So as you can see, my pizza is ready. See, I like it when it's heavy. Okay, very, very nice. You can also try making your own pizza. Okay, very nice, very tasty and delicious. Okay, thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment on my videos. Okay, see you next time with another recipe. Thank you. Bye.